Okay, well, we're gonna transit some dirt or bucket some dirt over there. My brother with his tractor, and I'm taking a few scoops there to get this cleared up here, this pile here. We got some wet, heavy clay in here, so. You'll keep bucketing and hauling dirt, and I'll get back over there and finish cutting out the old spot there and get everything transferred over here where it needs to be. Watch, don't go too far over the edge here, end up in the ditch. I swear to God, I greased all my pins and bushings yesterday before coming over here. And if you hear everything squeaking and squawking, it's not because I didn't grease my pins and bushings. Every time after I grease my pins and bushings on the loader and the backhoe, everything squeaks and squawks. Those of you that run a lot of heavy equipment will know what I talk about. It sounds like you've got dry pins, but it's actually the opposite a lot of times. Not always, but for whatever reason, sometimes they're just after you grease, you'll notice that you end up with pins and bushings that are squeaking and squawking. You'll notice that in excavators and backhoes, and not sure why, but what it does. So. Get over here and start digging out the backside of that bank, and then finish trimming that up. Okay, well, I'm going to keep on poking away here. I'm trying to finish cutting my back cut there. They don't have a very grade here, are pretty sharp here. They don't have a nice gentle slope, so I'm pretty much extend it out as far as I can there. I can cut that bank there and trim it up a little bit more there where I'm digging there now, and I'll get it there, but yeah, anyways. slowly getting there. Got the main part of it cut out there. I'm pretty much up to the slope, so I'm going to have to start up cutting now, working my way up the shoulder of the road. So pick up the pace a little bit. I want to get this done. So.